Hello and hi friends, welcome back to Krishna's tutorials. In this particular video I will give you a brief introduction and all details regarding LSAT 2022. So I'll tell you the basic details, eligibility criteria, exam pattern, syllabus and important dates. So LSAT 2022 Jan session is scheduled on January 15th. So exam will go live on January 15th. So if you are interested, be prepared for that. Before beginning the video, let me tell you something important about Unacademy platform. Raise a hand and talk to the educator in live class. Unlimited quizzes. You can also launch a quiz anytime, anywhere. You can access live and recorded sessions. It is an opportunity to learn from the best educators and NLU alumni. There will be weekly events. You can also access to mock tests. So these are the prominent features of Unacademy platform, and Finex is a 6 months batch for CLAT 2022 aspirants. So it will be starting on 8th December 2021 in English plus Hindi. The legal source is a freshers batch for CLAT 2023 aspirants. So if you are preparing for CLAT, you can consider these courses starting on 10th December 2021 in English plus Hindi. So use my code GKK10 for additional 10% discount if you are taking any plus subscription on Unacademy platform. So now let me tell you about special class events. So 4th December, this was recently held. So NLSIU Bangalore versus NLU Jodhpur. You can watch recorded sessions on Unacademy platform. Special class events: CLAT 2021 success story in conversation with Rishabh Shah Nalsar, Air 146 CLAT 2021 at 5 p.m. Sunday 5th December. So on 7th December at 5 p.m. Pooja Amma ma'am is going to talk on sector-wise opportunities after graduation and placements at non-NLUs. And Kriti Bhatnagar ma'am is going to talk on opportunities in corporate law and placements at NLU on 8th December. There will be weekly tests like Unacademy Law Aptitude Test, 60 minutes, 60 questions, 60 marks every alternate Saturdays at 11 a.m. And weekly T20 test, 20 minutes, 20 questions, 20 marks, Monday English, Tuesday Quant, Wednesday Logical Reasoning, Thursday Legal Aptitude, Friday CA and GK. It is free and open for everyone. Educated curated tests for CLAT. So every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday at 6 p.m. it goes live on Unacademy, and followed by analysis plus feedback session at 6:30 p.m. You can have a glance at the schedule. Then YouTube events. Are you the next topper? Mentee quiz for CLAT 2022 and 2023 aspirants by Neetu Kamal ma'am on 10th December at 5 p.m. Get a chance to win 500 Amazon vouchers on Unacademy live session. Subscribe to Unacademy CLAT and stay tuned. Comment on our videos and let us know what you feel. Do show us some love by liking and sharing our videos. Coming back to LSAT 2021, let us start with basic details. Full form is Law School Admission Test. LSAT stands for Law School Admission Test 2022. So level of examination is a national level exam. So students from across India and even from other countries are also eligible to apply for this exam. So competition will be tougher. Purpose: to conduct admissions into 3 years LLB, 5 years LLB and LLM. Academic year 2022 to 2023 conducting body is LSAC, which stands for Law School Admission Council. LSAC stands for Law School Admission Council. It is a non-profit organization. Mode of exam: it is an online exam. You need to sit for the exam at your comfort zone. Okay, you can even write exam from your home also, but there are some pre-requirements, like you need to have a computer with some futures conducted twice in a year. So LSAT will be held twice in a year. So it is very good actually. So you can attempt January session and May session. So eligibility for LSAT 2022. Nationality: so Indian nationals are eligible to apply for LSAT 2022, and even other nationals are also allowed to sit for the exam with some conditions fulfilled. So check the official website for more details. I'll be providing the link of official website in the description box. Educational qualification for LSAT 2022. So if you are appearing for 5-year integrated LLB, then you are required to be appearing for class 12 exam, or you have already cleared it. And if you are applying for 3 years LLB program, you need to be a graduate. So and for LLM, you need to have LLB, and for all courses you need to have minimum of 45 percentage in qualifying examination. And refer to the eligibility criteria of the law college that you are interested in getting admission into. So this is because there are many top law schools which conduct admissions through LSAT. So each college may have different requirements from the students, so they may specifically mention particular qualification in order to give you the admission. So you need to check the college website. So let me show you how to check official website of college. So first of all, look over the official website, so from where you need to apply for LSAT 2022 for both sessions. You can apply for one session or both session as per your wish, but attending the both session is advisable. And about LSAT and all, you can look over from this tab. Okay, so so here you can see, if you scroll down, you can see discover more about LSAT. So click that, and yeah, so you will get all the details regarding LSAT. So if you have any doubts regarding LSAT, you can just go through all this content which is mentioned in the official website. Yeah, here it is, guys. So under registering for LSAT India, so you will find two links here: LSAT Global Law Alliance colleges and LSAT India affiliated colleges. So I am clicking Global Law Alliance. So here you will find a list of colleges. So you can just go through the website, official websites of those colleges, and you can particularly check the educational qualifications and other qualifications they are mentioned to give admission, right? Talking about syllabus of LSAT 2022, there will be total of 4 sections. So here you can see analytical reasoning, under which you need to answer 23 questions in 35 minutes. Okay, this is section time limit. And logical reasoning 1 and 22 questions, 35 minutes will be given. Logical reasoning 2, 23 questions and 35 minutes will be given. And reading comprehension 24 questions and 35 minutes. So you will get a total of 92 questions and 2 hours 20 minutes time will be given. So mode of exam, it is an online exam. So we call it as remote proctoring exam. So that means you need to, okay, you can write exam from your home also, but you need to have a computer and a camera, working camera, because at the time of writing exam you need to on your camera, they will be monitoring you. Okay, so everything is called as remote proctoring. So mode of exam is online exam, so you no need to travel to the exam center and all these things. Just you can attempt your exam at your comfort zone. Then language of the exam is English. And but here remember, guys, as far as I understood from the official website, when I read introductory guide provided in the official website, which I just shown you, so there I found sample questions in English. So that is the reason I am saying the paper will be in English. Of course paper will be definitely in English, and I don't know whether paper will also be given in Hindi, I am not sure. So if you apply, you will come to know. Then duration of the exam 20 hours and 20 minutes, 2 hours and 20 minutes. And type of questions, MCQs, maximum questions 92. Negative marking, there is no negative marking. Basically they are designing the paper to test your skills, so like analytical, logical and reading comprehension skills, which are most essential for a lawyer. So important dates of LSAT 2022: registration already started on October 18, 2021, and you can see registration closes for January 2022 LSAT India on January 2022. So apply as early as possible. Then test scheduling for January 2022 LSAT, January 4 to 8, 2022, and exam will go live on Saturday, January 15, 2022. So there is only 1 month and 10 days, and be serious in preparation if you are really interested to get admission in top law school. Scorecard releases for January and all these things, and registration closes for May 2022 LSAT on Monday, April 25, 2022. So if you attempt January session, you will get an experience, and with that experience, if you attempt May session, you can really do well in the exam. Test scheduling and all these things you can look over, and May 2022 LSAT exam will go live on May 9, 2022. So we'll come to know more details on the official website, so keep checking official website. That's all in this video, guys. And finally, if you are attempting any mock test or buying any course on an academic platform, don't forget to use GKK10 to unlock the test for free and to get 10% discount for purchase. Thank you. Keep smiling. Have a nice day.